I'm in El Paso trick. When I cruise through my town, naughty down I-10. West side, east side, central, northeast, gotta represent. Rock Cortezes, or Air Force Ones, man. These folks in the cup and up the... Hell yeah, stripper pole. Yeah. Oh crap. Oh, nothing happened. Nothing happened. I didn't break it. Hi, I'm Dyke, your new roommate.
Hi, I'm Manuel.
I'm Jolly D. It's fine.
Oh, who brought the pussy? Cat.
Where'd you come from?
Oh, I came out of the closet. It's fine.
Look what the cat dragged in.
I'm Aquafina.
Well, oh, Scrub. You can call me Scrub for short.
I'm wet.
So, we should introduce ourselves.
Okay, I'll go first. In West Philadelphia, born and raised on the playground is where I spent most of my days. Chilling out back, relaxing out, cooling out, shooting some b-ball outside of the school with a couple of guys who were up to no good. Started making trouble in my neighborhood. I got in one little fight and my mom got scared. She said, "You're moving with your auntie," and I looked a little there. I whistled for a cab, and when it came, it was Dyson beer. I didn't think I could tell that this cab was there, but I thought, man, forget
Well,
it.
anyway, I'm Aquafina. I'm thirsty.
It's fine. We got some drinks in the kitchen. But me, my name is Jolly D. And I like men.
Not Manuel. I'm half cat, half wow.
I'm Tangelina. I'm crazy and I got 3 eyes.
Name's Dyke, and I have lopsided boobs.
Wait, if your name is Tangelina, why are you so white?
Oh my gosh, Aquafina, you can't just ask people why they're white. Totally not fine.
I really don't know.
Hey, what's up with all this hostility? Let's go to Union. Yeah.
I like the OP.
Let's go.